Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your Genshin Impact code. It's pretty simple. First you want to search for Genshin Impact. If you search for Genshin Impact on your browser, click on Genshin Impact. Once you click on it, it'll take you to its official website. Now once you're in its official website, click on official site again at the top right corner and then it'll take you to this page. Over here, make sure you log in into your accounts. Now once you log in into your account, you can clearly see the redeem code option. Click on it. Once you click on the redeem code option, first over here select which server you're playing on or which server your account belongs to. And over here you need to enter your character's name. But once you log in into your account, your character nickname will automatically be filled, so you don't have to worry about it. And over here you need to enter your redeeming code. Whatever code you have, just enter it and click on redeem. And whatever the code belongs to, that thing will be redeemed in your Genshin Impact account. Whether it's a new character, new dress, or Genshin Impact's in-game currency, whatever it is, you will be able to redeem it. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel for future Genshin Impact related videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.